Hello everyone and welcome back. As you can see, we've got something on the table here. So
what's in the box?
Alright, so what's in the box? Well, we've got something obviously from Palmetto State Armory. And I did spring for it and get the extra attention that buying from Palmetto State Armory as a Gun Channels member you can get. And that is the Fiddled With by Ellis edition. So, if you order from Palmetto State Armory, make sure you ask for the Fiddled With by Ellis edition. It's a Gun Channels member only exclusive. But let's open it up, take a look at what we got. And there we have an AR upper. So as you can see, we've got an AR upper here. It is a 20-inch stainless steel barrel with the 223 Wild chambering, the 1-in-7 twist, M-lock, handguard on it. Have our QD points here. Got a forward assist. Now this did come no bolt carrier and no charging handle since I had those already. And I believe I've got another dust cover that I'm probably going to switch out. But this will be on the Snowflake lower build. So I'm going to send this off to Gun Snob, have him paint up the upper and the handguard. I don't know what I'm going to do with the flash hider birdcage here yet, whether I'm going to leave that on there or not, or change that out to something else. But there is the last piece that we needed for our Snowflake lower build. So it's going to take a little while, but we're going to get that put together and it should be delightfully atrocious. So keep an eye out for that. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out my Amazon link down below. If you can click on there, buy something. It'll help the channel out. Give me a little bit of cash here since, you know, I like to spend it. And until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.